Okay, this time let's do some tricks about how to find the square of a given number ends with 5. So as you can see, from 15 square, the next number after 1 is 2. So you multiply 2 times 1, then you will get 2. And after that, you have to find the square of 5. That one. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So therefore, 15 square is equal to 225. Next is 25 square. So the next number after 2 is 3. So you multiply 2 and 3, which is 6. And after that, again, you have to find the square of 5. And the square of 5 is 25. So 25 square is equal to 625. For the third one, the next number after 3 is 4. And 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So you write 12 and then find the square of 5, which is 5 times 5, and that is equal to 25. So 35 square is equal to 1,225. For 45 square, the next number after 4 is 5. So when you multiply 4 and 5, the answer is 20. And the next step is you have to find the 5 square, which is 5 times 5, and that is 25. So the answer when you square 45 is 2,025. Similarly, the next number after 5 is 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. So 30, and then you get 5 square. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And last example, so the next number after 6 is 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. Then you find the square of 5, which is 5 times 5, and the answer is 25. So therefore, the square of 65 is 4,225. Okay, that's all.